Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use the Living app. The full overview of how to use the Living app. The Living app I'm talking about is the one for mental well-being, not the rewards program. We have two Living apps. There's one for rewards program. I'm talking about the one for mental well-being. You can see it's different. Now how are we going to use it? The first thing I'm going to do is have to download and install it. You can download it from the Apple Store or from Google Play Store. Now, how do you find the app? Search for Living Habits or Living Liven in your device app store. Download and install it by tapping on Get or Install. If you're using App Store, Get. If you're using Google Play, tap on Install. Next, you open the app after installation, create an account, and follow the on-screen instruction to sign up. Once you've completed the assessment, the app will likely have assessments to understand your current habits, challenges, and goals. Once you've completed them, and please be honest and thorough in your responses. So after completing them, Living will create a personalized plan to address your specific needs. This might include habit tracking, which are tools to track daily habits and progress, mindfulness exercises like guided meditation, breathing exercise, and relaxation techniques, goal setting to help in setting realistic and achievable goals, procrastination techniques, strategies to overcome procrastination and improve focus. This might be part of the things you work on. Then use the features. Utilize the habit tracker, mindfulness exercise, and other tools provided by the app to get your real support for real life problems. Try to be consistent and regular when using the app. It is very crucial for achieving desired results. The app may allow you to adjust your plan as needed based on your progress and challenges. Please consider the following. Consistency is key. So regular use is essential for the app to be effective. The app effectiveness also depends on how well it aligns with your individual needs and challenges. But at the same time, it's not a substitute for professional help. The Living app is a helpful tool, but it's not a substitute for professional mental health support. I repeat. So please, I hope this clarifies how to use the Living app for mental well-being. Now, as you can see, the app is only available for mobile devices, not for PC. So you can use it on PC. So that's it. Hope you find it really helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.